Hi, Pauric here, McNally Motors. Today I want to show you around our 211 demonstration model Toyota CHR. This is the hybrid sport model and is finished in a Celestite grey metallic paint. The car is low on your road tax of €190. It's entity exempt up until 2025 and it's sold at the balance to manufacturer's warranty. Now we'll take a look at some of the features this car has to offer. It's got the front fog lights as standard. It's got the front and rear parking sensors with the automatic lights. It's got the 17-inch diamond cut multi-spoke alloy wheels. It's got the rear tinted windows. It's got very clean bodywork all around. It's got a nice spacious boot. Fold-out seats for additional space also. There's plenty of legroom in the back. It's got the eyes fixed on both sides for the car seats. It's finished with a navy cloth interior with centre armrest also. Front and rear electric windows and mirrors. Automatic headlights. Multifunctional steering wheel, built-in cruise control, radio controls and the phone controls. Touchscreen radio with built-in Bluetooth and the Android Auto and CarPlay built in. Heated front seats. Dual air conditioning. USB and aux port. Automatic handbrake with the hill start assist. Being a hybrid, it's got the automatic gearbox with the reversing camera built in. And there's just 1900 kilometers on the clock. At McNally Motors, we can offer you a wide range of finance options on this CHR. So please give us a call on 043 33 45621 or visit our website at www.mcnallymotors.ie where you can view this car. You can also book a test drive. Thanks very much.